Exploring Olivia Rodrigo, from bedroom ballads to global stardom. From viral sensation to a defining voice of her generation, Olivia Rodrigo's journey to becoming a pop powerhouse is nothing short of spectacular. With deep, emotive lyrics and an undeniable charm, she has captured the hearts of millions worldwide. Welcome to the Music Educator channel, where today, we delve into the life and music of Olivia Rodrigo. Join us as we explore how this remarkable young artist has shaped the contemporary music scene and continues to inspire a generation. Born in 2003 in Temecula, California, Olivia Rodrigo was destined for musical greatness. Raised in a family where music was cherished, her childhood was filled with melodies and instruments, setting the stage for her future successes. From an early age, Olivia showed a profound interest in music and the performing arts. She started taking piano lessons as a young girl, which not only honed her skills, but also fueled her passion for music, laying a solid foundation for her artistic career. Her foray into the entertainment industry began with her breakthrough role on Disney's Bizaardvark. This platform not only showcased her acting abilities, but also opened doors for her blossoming music career, setting her on the path to stardom. Olivia Rodrigo's debut single, Driver's License, hit the music scene in 2021 with a storm, capturing hearts with its poignant lyrics and raw emotion. The song's narrative of heartbreak and longing resonated deeply, helping it to become an instant global sensation. The single not only went viral, but also shattered records, becoming the fastest track to surpass 100 million streams on Spotify. This milestone highlighted the massive appeal and the digital power of Rodrigo's music, marking her as a new force in pop music. Her debut album, Sour, further explored themes of adolescence, betrayal, and self-discovery. Each track conveyed authenticity and emotional depth, making it highly relatable to young audiences worldwide. The album's success cemented her status as a voice of her generation. Among her musical influences, Olivia Rodrigo cites Taylor Swift and Alanis Morissette, both known for their lyrical storytelling and emotional vulnerability. These influences are evident in Rodrigo's songwriting, which similarly blends introspection with a raw portrayal of personal experiences. In various interviews and podcasts, Rodrigo has shared insights into her songwriting process, revealing how personal experiences heavily inspire her lyrics. This approach has allowed her to connect with listeners on a deeper level, making her music both cathartic and empowering. Olivia Rodrigo's songwriting process reveals a depth that resonates with audiences worldwide. In various interviews, she has shared how personal experiences heavily influence her lyrics, crafting songs that speak to the emotions of heartbreak and self-discovery. Her influence extends beyond her music to platforms like TikTok, where snippets of her songs quickly go viral. This social media powerhouse has been instrumental in her success, allowing fans to engage with her music through their creative expressions and covers. Olivia is also vocal about the importance of artist rights, advocating for musicians to own their work. Her public stance on these issues has inspired many in the industry to rethink how music rights are handled. The music video for Good For You cleverly pays homage to 90s teen movies, blending nostalgia with modern pop-punk vibes. This creative decision not only highlighted her artistic vision, but also broadened her appeal across different age groups. As Olivia Rodrigo matures as an artist, her music themes evolve, exploring more complex aspects of life and relationships. Her ability to adapt and grow keeps her music relevant and continually engaging for a broad audience. Olivia Rodrigo's musical prowess extends beyond her own albums. She has contributed to various soundtracks, showcasing her versatility and ability to resonate across different media platforms. Her work in this area highlights her broad appeal and adaptability as an artist. Her distinct style has not only influenced her music, but also made significant waves in the fashion industry. Olivia Rodrigo has become a style icon for many young fans, her outfits and fashion choices often sparking trends and conversations in the fashion world. Olivia Rodrigo's achievements in the music industry have been recognized with numerous awards and accolades. From Grammy wins to breaking Billboard records, her rise has been meteoric, confirming her status as a critical and commercial success in the modern music scene. Fans of Olivia Rodrigo are passionate and vocal about their admiration. Many express that her music speaks to their experiences and emotions in a deeply personal way. These testimonials highlight the profound impact she has on her listeners, making her a voice of her generation. Her performances on major stages like Saturday Night Live and the MTV Music Awards have not only solidified her reputation as a compelling live performer, but also showcased her ability to connect with audiences on a grand scale. These appearances have been pivotal in her career, bringing her music to an even wider audience. Olivia Rodrigo doesn't shy away from discussing the pressures of fame and its impact on her mental health. She openly shares her experiences and strategies for maintaining well-being, thereby normalizing mental health conversations among her young fans and the broader public. Her advocacy extends beyond her music as she engages in various charitable activities. By using her platform to support causes she believes in, Olivia demonstrates the power of influence in promoting change and encouraging her fans to contribute positively to their communities. On stage and in interviews, Olivia often shares humorous anecdotes from her tours and interactions with fans. These stories not only endear her to her audience, but also showcase her relatable and down-to-earth personality, further strengthening her connection with fans. Olivia Rodrigo is an undeniable force in modern pop music, serving as a role model for young, aspiring musicians. Her journey from a Disney star to a celebrated singer-songwriter inspires many to pursue their dreams with authenticity and passion. Through her music, style, and public appearances, Olivia has significantly influenced both fashion and pop culture. Her distinctive style resonates with fans worldwide, setting trends and defining what it means to be a fashion-forward young pop star. Recapping the remarkable journey of Olivia Rodrigo, we've seen her evolve from a Disney star to a global pop sensation. Her record-breaking debut, impactful themes, and influential style have cemented her status as a pivotal figure in contemporary music. As we close this exploration, we invite you to reflect on which Olivia Rodrigo song touches your heart the most. Her music resonates with many, and we're curious to hear your personal connections to her work. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to comment your favorite Olivia moments and songs as well. Engaging with fellow fans and sharing your favorites helps keep the community vibrant and supports Rodrigo's continuing journey in the music industry. Remember to subscribe to the Music Educator channel if you haven't already. We are dedicated to providing insightful profiles and educational content that helps you understand the intricacies behind your favorite music and artists. To ensure you don't miss out on any of our future content, hit the subscribe button now. Stay tuned for more fascinating stories and insights that delve deep into the music and lives of renowned artists like Olivia Rodrigo.